Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for today. This is my OnePlus 9RT running with the Root 8 OxygenOS 16-bit. The real challenge of Root 8 modified Android devices is passing the new Google's device basic and strong integrity checks. We already uploaded a video on how you can pass all of these integrity checks in our older uploaded video. But after the Android 16 update, that process is not working on any of my Root 8 devices. But today I will bring you the new method to pass all integrity checks on any device running with Android version from 12 to 16. For proper working of this mod, please watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. To use this method, you need a Magisk rooted Android device. I haven't tried this method on Patch or kernel rooted devices, so I can't guarantee it will work on them or not. First, download the Kesu Web UI APK file and 5 Magisk module zip files from the link given in the description. First, install the Kesu Web UI APK file. Now open the Magisk application. I recommend you to use the latest Magisk version 13.6. Then tap install and first flash the Playintegrity Magisk module. Once installed, next flash the Magisk module. Next we have to flash the Tricky Store and Tricky Add-on Magisk module files. Once all Magisk module flashing gets done, just reboot your device. Now if you check the module section of the Magisk application, you will not see the Tricky Add-on module in the list, but don't worry, just ignore it. Now tap on the action button of Playintegrity Fix Inject module. A new interface will open. Here by default, only 2 top toggles will be enabled. Other toggles must be unchecked. Now tap on this fetch option. Don't change any setting here, just select the auto PAF option. You will see some flashing of the files get started. Once it shows the done, go back. Next tap on the action button of the Tricky Store module. It will redirect you to the Tricky Store application that you installed at the beginning of this video. In this application, tap on the 3-dot menu from the top right corner. Here select this icon to check mark all applications in the list. Next tap on the deselect unnecessary. Now tap on the keybox option. There select the keybox and then tap on the valid. You will get the pop-up notification as a valid keybox set successful. Next tap on the save and exit the application and then reboot your device. Now open the Playintegrity Checker application and check your device integrity. If all checks got successful, you don't need to follow next steps. But if your device strong integrity is failing, you need to flash another module. That is the strong integrity fix Magisk module. While flashing this module, it will redirect you to the developer Sarhan's Telegram channel site. He is developer of this module. You can either join his channel or just swipe back. Once flashing is done, reboot your device. Now this time if you open the Playintegrity Checker application, all integrity checks will 100% pass with the green check mark. In the Magisk module section, you will not see the strong integrity fix and Tricky Store add-on module. You can ignore it, it doesn't affect the Playintegrity. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any queries, please join our Telegram channel. Its link is available in the description. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to Android mods. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.